right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. We're going to roll the dice. We're going to do serial number 4. The last two teams, Colts and Steelers. Colts and Steelers. Hey, the iron's hot. The iron's hot right now. If you're not going to wait till this break is over, I'm sorry. We're going to go 8 times on the randomizer. All right, 8 times on the rando. Shy-Town, Riley, K. Oliveira. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. K. Oliveira sandwich. Look at that. He's on the top and the bottom. Numbers. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 on the top, 3 at the bottom. All right, Riley 1, Shy-Town 2, K. Oliveira 3, Shy-Town 4, Riley 5, 6, K. Oliveira 7, 8, Shy-Town 9, 10. Those are your serial numbers for the Colts and Steelers. There we go. Everyone log Ain't nobody gonna log out. It's a hell of a price. It's a hell of a break. What are you talking about? Go ahead, log out. That means other people are gonna take your spots. They ain't get the Pokemon to stop. I mean, it just. They're not doing as much of the Pokemon right now. Alright, we got Daniel Hunter. Kenny Galladay. Oh, these are not numbered, huh? DK Metcalf, Aaron Donald, and 65 of 99 for the Vikings. State of Hockey. Dante Culpepper. That line don't count. I'm not keeping track of the line. I have no idea what that line is. That's good for BR. Yeah. Boobies. Allen Robinson, Michael Thomas, 14 of 50. Daniel Hunter. Boom! 73 of 99. Game day. Patty Mahomes. That one. No idea what you're talking about, man. There's no break line yet. Minshew. Man, it sucks. Minshew's going to lose his job, huh? Kamara. Saquon Barkley. James Conner. Not a good spot 0 on James Conner. And we got for the Jaguars 149 of 175. LaVisca Chenault Jr. Jaguars, the person Miguel buying the wrong team gets a hit. How did I screw myself? What's going on? What are you talking about? I have no idea what you're talking about. All right, Tyreek Hill, Tom Brady, Bradley Chubb, DJ Moore, and our hit, Jason Taylor for the Dolphins, Ring of Honor, 40 of 99. He's just being a dork, Adam. Don't listen to him. Boom, number to jersey number, right? 99. Dolphinos, ugly. With the Dolphinos. Oh, we might have a three auto box here. Newly retired. No, he's retired, right? Phillip Rivers, spot number 2 on Phillip Rivers. George Kittle, Teddy Bridgewater, Khalil Mack, and Patrick Queen, 172 of 199 for the Ravens. No RPA. Looking at prices for airfare. Why? Where are you going? I don't know. I remember that time it took you like 30 minutes to break a case of Flawless. DeAndre Hopkins, DJ Chark, Julio Jones, Minshew, 131 of 149 for the Jaguars. Nine of 10, Tua Tagovailoa. Is that jersey number? 9 of 10? Boom. Yeah, sucks. I only got 7 boxes of this stuff. Coming to LA? Sweet. Come to LA. Go get tacos with cilantro on them. Slow down? Okay. Sterling Shepard. Odell Beckham Jr. Bobby Wagner. Dalvin Cook. Matt Judon. 32 of 75. For the Ravens. I had no idea they had a guy named Matt Judon on their team. I'm going to read the back of the cards. Sure. Christian McCaffrey. The Panthers can count on McCaffrey doing McCaffrey-like things every Sunday. He's going... Oh, we got a redemption. Drew Brees. Christian McCaffrey. Derek Henry. Frank Gore for the Jets. And redemption. Rookie patch autographs variation silver spotlight. Chase Young for the Redskins. Miguelito striker 88. Very nice. You don't know him. This is limited PYT number 2. Striker 88. Where is the other Miguelito? I haven't seen him in a minute. Hope he's okay. Joey Bosa, Derek Carr, Tyreek Hill, A.J. Brown for the Titans. 51 of 149. I am out of penny sleeves. Gotta go get penny sleeves now. And for the Jaguars, 5 of 199. Laviska Shenault Jr. Washington football team. Sorry. Again, I might offend somebody or something. God, I can't even say God forbid, huh? Say something. Somebody forbid. Box number 4. Sticker? Are they stickers? Oh. He did sign some. Oh, he only signed stickers. What's up, Nathan? Just bounced in? You did good. I know we've pulled this in something. Travis Kelce, Carson Wentz, TJ Watts, Darius Leonard. Spot number 3 on Darius Leonard. And 75/199, Bradley Anae. Rookie autograph for the Cowboys. The Scat Cat 88. Welcome back, Don. I think my computer's over there sitting jealous that I haven't used it yet. Matt Ryan, Julian Edelman, Alex Smith, Kenyon Drake, and we got for the Colts, spot number 4, 124/175, Jonathan Taylor, the Chi-Town 101. What number is what? Oh, 9. Sorry. Let's do this part of this. 4-9. Asking what number it was. Josh Allen, Kirk Cousins, Cam Newton, Alex Smith for the Washington team, 55/75. Newly released Alex Smith. 55/75, and then you got Stadium Stars, 5/99, Amari Cooper for the Cowboys. Oh man, I'm not gonna be able to finish this break in 2 minutes. Sorry guys, I said 15 minutes, but you guys distracted me by telling me to read stats and say Redskins. Say Redskins. Say what again? I dare you. I dare you. AJ Brown, TJ Watts, spot 9, Julian Edelman, and Ben Roethlisberger, spot 4, 4/149. That's 2 color. Butch, 23/25, Brandon Ayuk. Even this one looks like me. It's pretty cool. Goes with the theme of the color. Or theme of the team. Sorry, theme of the color. Oh, Alex Smith again. Alright, Darius Leonard, Alex Smith, Josh Allen. Oh, Darius Leonard is 3. Smith, Allen, Kirk Cousins, and we got boom! Kyler Murray for the Cardinals. Luis. There you go, Luis. As Matt says, as Matt speaks, almost jersey, 1 away from jersey number, huh? All right, we got Kenyon Drake, Cam Newton, Sterling Shepard, Odell Beckham Jr., and Len Dawson, 27/49 for the Chiefs. That is Tom B and the Chiefs. Wrong Chiefs quarterback. Hey, this guy's a Ring of Honor guy. The other guy hasn't done nothing yet. Josh Allen, Kirk Cousins, Cooper Kupp, Russell Gage, and Marquez Valdez-Scantling, 92 of 99 for the Packers. That is Tom B. What's wrong with that, Matt? Matt Ryan, Julian Edelman, Melvin Gordon, Jared Goff, 85 of 149 for the Rams. 55 Coboon. And we got a random, 72 of 99, Jerry Jeudy and CeeDee Lamb. Bound by round. Sterling Shepard, Odell Beckham Jr., Baker Mayfield, Tre'Davious White for the Bills, and we got J.K. Dobbins, 8 of 25 for the Ravens. Judy Lamb to the Super Bowl. Oh, man. All right, that's the final box. No book. Sorry, guys. No books. All right, Skinny Auto coming up. Actually, Redemption. We'll save that one then. Alright. We got Tannehill, Darnold, Fitzgerald, Gesicki, Logan Wilson, 150 of 199 for the Bengals. Boom. Wanted linebacker autographs out of this. Oh, that's right. You got the Eagles, huh? Sorry, man. Pulled Dante Culpepper instead of Cunningham. Well, that might be the color for the Eagles. Might. I don't know. Could be. Could be Eagles. Could be Jets. We'll see. Prescott, Juju Smith-Schuster, spot 8. A.J. Brown, Kirk Cousins for the Vikings. 68 of 149. I peeked. It's for the Jets. Sam Darnold. 23 of 75. Jay Bruce. You going to Toronto? Tyrann Mathieu, Adam Thielen, T.Y. Hilton, Kendall Fuller, and our redemption reads limited card set, rookie patch autographs, Ruby Spotlight. Card number 117 for the 49ers, Brandon Ayuk. That goes to J.R.T. Fitty. And the 49ers, and that was a break. That left so much to be wanted after that. Let's roll the dice. See how many times we hit the randomizer. 3 times on the rando. I said start. Alright, we got Broncos, Cowboys, Broncos 2, Cowboys. 2. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Cowboys win the duel. Thank you again, everybody. Appreciate it as always.